Top astronomical breakthroughs. For thousands of years, humans looked up to the stars and wondered about their place in the universe. Early astronomers were fascinated by the movements of celestial bodies and attempted to make sense of what they saw. They charted the positions of the stars and planets and noticed patterns in their motion. This led to the creation of early astronomical calendars, which were used to predict eclipses and other celestial events. One of the earliest civilizations to make significant contributions to astronomy was the Babylonians. They observed the movements of the planets and recorded their positions over time, eventually creating a sophisticated system for predicting eclipses and the positions of the planets. Their work laid the foundation for much of the astronomical knowledge that would be developed in the centuries to come. The ancient Greeks made many important contributions to astronomy as well. Philosophers like Pythagoras and Plato pondered the nature of the universe, while astronomers like Hipparchus made observations of the stars and planets. Hipparchus is credited with creating the first known star catalog, which listed the positions of over 850 stars. So that's a brief look at the earliest observations in astronomy. In the 17th and 18th centuries, the scientific revolution brought about major advancements in our understanding of the universe. The work of astronomers such as Tycho Brahe, Johannes Kepler, and Galileo Galilei helped to establish a new way of thinking about the cosmos. Tycho Brahe, a Danish astronomer, made precise observations of the stars and planets using a network of observatories. He discovered the supernova of 1572 and observed the motion of comets, which challenged the prevailing idea that the heavens were unchanging. Johannes Kepler, a German astronomer, built upon Tycho's work by developing his laws of planetary motion. He showed that the planets move in elliptical orbits around the Sun, rather than circular orbits as previously thought. This was a crucial step in understanding the nature of our solar system. Galileo Galilei, an Italian astronomer, made observations of the heavens using a telescope. He discovered the four largest moons of Jupiter, known as the Galilean moons, and observed the phases of Venus, providing evidence for the heliocentric model of the solar system. These astronomers, along with others, challenged the traditional view of the universe and helped to lay the foundations for modern astronomy. They showed that the universe was not static and unchanging, but instead was dynamic and full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. The 19th and 20th centuries brought about many groundbreaking discoveries in astronomy that expanded our understanding of the universe. The invention of powerful telescopes and the development of new techniques for analyzing light allowed astronomers to probe deeper into the cosmos than ever before. One of the major discoveries of the 19th century was the realization that our Sun is just one of many stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The German astronomer Friedrich Wilhelm Bessel made the first successful measurement of the distance to a star, and later calculations showed that the Milky Way contains billions of stars. In the early 20th century, the American astronomer Edwin Hubble made the groundbreaking discovery that the universe is expanding. He observed that distant galaxies were moving away from us, leading to the conclusion that the universe was once smaller and has been expanding over time. This discovery provided evidence for the Big Bang Theory, which describes the beginning of the universe. The second half of the 20th century saw a flurry of activity in the field of astronomy. Advances in technology allowed astronomers to detect and study distant objects such as black holes, quasars, and galaxies. The discovery of pulsars, rapidly rotating neutron stars, provided important insights into the nature of stars and their evolution. The 21st century has seen a revolution in astronomy, with a plethora of exciting discoveries that have expanded our understanding of the universe. The development of powerful telescopes and sensitive instruments has allowed astronomers to study distant exoplanets, the atmospheres of other worlds, and the universe's history and evolution. One of the biggest discoveries in recent years has been the detection of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. The number of known exoplanets has exploded, with thousands now known, including many that are potentially habitable. These discoveries have provided important clues about the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Astronomers have also made progress in understanding the mysterious components of the universe known as dark matter and dark energy. Despite being invisible to our telescopes, these substances make up the majority of the universe and play a crucial role in its evolution. Recent developments in astronomy have also allowed us to peer back in time to the early universe, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Astronomers have discovered a rich diversity of galaxies and have used these observations to understand the processes that led to the formation of the structures we see in the universe today. The future of astronomy is bright, with many exciting projects and developments on the horizon. New telescopes and instruments are being developed that will allow us to study the universe in greater detail than ever before. One of the most ambitious projects in the works is the construction of the next-generation large telescopes, such as the European Extremely Large Telescope, EELT, and the 30-meter telescope, TMT. These telescopes will have mirrors several times larger than any currently in use and will provide us with a view of the universe that is impossible to obtain with current technology. Space-based observatories, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, are also set to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. These observatories will provide us with an unobstructed view of the cosmos and will allow us to study the universe in wavelengths that are inaccessible from the ground. In addition to new telescopes, scientists are developing new techniques and technologies that will allow us to study the universe in new ways. For example, gravitational wave detectors, such as LIGO and Virgo, are helping us to study the universe in a completely new way, through the detection of ripples in spacetime. The future of astronomy is full of promise and potential. With the advances in technology and the drive of scientists, we can be sure that many exciting discoveries await us in the years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the greatest discoveries in astronomy. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through the stars and gained a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the universe. Be sure to subscribe to Black Screen Science, give this video a like, and let us know in the comments what you thought and what other topics you would like to see us explore. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and we can't wait to share them with you.